Hello friends. Today we listen a story. The name of the story is The Ugly Duckling. So let's start. Most of us have probably heard of this story, as this is one of the most popular fairy tales in the world. The story revolves around a duckling who, from the moment of his birth, has always felt different from his siblings. He was always picked on because he did not look like the rest of them. One day he had enough and ran away from the pond he grew up in. He wandered near and far looking for a family who would accept him. Months passed and seasons changed, but everywhere he went, nobody wanted him because he was such an ugly duck. Then one day he came upon a family of swans. Upon looking at them, he realized that during the months he spent looking for a family to call his own, he had grown into a beautiful swan. Now he finally understood why he never looked like the rest of his siblings, because he is not a duck but a swine. Moral of the story. Moral of the story is, we should not be too quick to judge others based on their physical appearance. Just because someone does not fit societal definition of beauty does not mean they are ugly. Each of us is beautiful in our own unique way, and it is time that we should accept and celebrate that individuality. So friends, today is no more. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and we will meet in next video. Tada!